Today, we review the top 6 brush cutter lawn mower that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Knakasaki Brush Cutter Kit. The market is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is a great way to get technical assistance, find the spare parts you need, and get fast shipping. The market is also a great place to find assembly instruction manuals and videos, as well as online assistance. After-sales teams are also available to help with any questions or concerns you may have. Number 2. Knakasaki NK63 OAT Brush Cutter. The brush cutter has a powerful 2-stroke gasoline engine. It is equipped with a centrifugal automatic clutch and a rigid axle. The reduction ratio is 16:19. The rotation of the cutting blades is counterclockwise. The fuel tank capacity is 1.1 liters. The engine is 63 cubic centimeters 2-stroke. The air displacement volume is 63 cc. The maximum power is 2,238 kW/9,000 RPM 3 HP. The carburetor is of the diaphragm type. The ignition method is TCI. The boot method is recoil. The lubricant is oil for 2-stroke engines. Number 3. Ohei Weed Whacker. The cordless weed whacker with 3 different types of blades can help you with all kinds of complex jobs. Plastic blades are suitable for trimming newly grown grass, flat steel blades are suitable for cutting lawns, twigs and vines, and circular saw blades are suitable for cutting branches and shrubs. Weed eater string does not require power cord, the pole can be retracted, the head can be rotated up and down between 0 to 90 degrees, multifunctional design can be convenient for users to trim and cut in uneven terrain, ideal for trimming courtyards, gardens, bushes, sidewalks. Lightweight design, only 2.6 pounds, whether it is a woman or an elderly person, can easily use the string trimmer. There is a safety lock at the handle position to prevent the weed whacker from being activated by mistake. The grass baffle can prevent the splash when the lawnmower is working. Ergonomic design lawnmowers makes your work easier and more efficient. Number 4. Makita XML03 CM136V. The Makita X2 LXT Lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless 19-inch lawn mower kit 4.0 AH delivers power and speed to tackle any size job. The X2 LXT technology delivers up to 80 minutes of run time on a single charge, with 418V LXT 4.0 AH batteries. The X2 LXT technology also delivers more power and longer run time, while the exclusive AutoStart wireless system (AWS) allows the user to start the engine with the push of a button. The BL brushless motor delivers up to 3,300 RPM for fast and efficient cutting, and the cutting height can be adjusted from 13/16 to 3 with the touch of a button. The X2 LXT lawnmower is equipped with a commercial-grade steel deck for durability, and the exclusive quiet mode reduces noise by providing constant speed control at 2,500 RPM. Number 5. Drygrow Electric Cordless Weed Whacker. Looking for an easy-to-use and versatile lawn care tool? Look no further than the multifunction lawn trimmer. This 3-in-1 tool can mow, trim, and edge your lawn with ease, thanks to its lightweight design and easy-to-use controls. The powerful motor delivers steady, low-vibration performance, so you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. Plus, the low-noise drive system won't disturb your neighbors. And for added durability, the metal blades are far more durable than plastic spools. Number 6. Super Handy String Trimmer. The engine is designed to ensure the operator's safety. Always operate machine according to directions in the user manual, always wear the appropriate ANSI standard hand and eye protection. Our one-piece, seamless deck offset frame design allows for upright trimming against foundations, fence lines/stiles and easily reach underneath shrubs with precise control and reduced vibration. Great for outdoor landscaping in lawn/garden, walkways, field brush, tall grass and weeds. Includes a toolless handlebar for easy compact storage and transportation, with our all-terrain high wheel design has uncanny maneuverability. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.